Kia ora whānau, we have a package. So, last year, if you didn't know, I got invited to PAX Australia by Aftershock. And they are one of the leading PC builders in the world right now. And the amazing quality that they have with a lot of the work they do is absolutely great as well. I've seen many of their builds even throughout the booth at PAX, which was an amazing experience too. You know, being amongst their crew and seeing some of the crafts or the products that they've made over time too, and even getting to share my culture with the world as well. On top of that, we got to carve a panel for one of their PCs too. As you can see, they've sent me a package. Let's open it. And I've been waiting for this package for a while because of, customs things. But hey, let's get to it, eh?
One eternity later.
There we have it. And absolutely, wow. Captured all my emotes from my stream and placed it all around the PC as well. Even at the top here. Oh, that's so cool. On the front here as well. And even on the back. I just want to say, once again, a big thank you to Aftershock for this PC. I'm still buzzing at how it looks, eh? And wow. Thank you very much, Aftershock. I will put the link to the Instagram within this post to go through and give them a follow. Look at all the product that they have. And yeah, much love once again. Kia ora.